The other day I'm walking home. Get home, my mom's like, Connor, you gotta go out and mow the lawn. But I was like, Mom, I don't really want to. I just want to ride dirt bike or something, you know? But she's like, no, you gotta weed whack the lawn. I was like, alright, I'll go weed whack the lawn. So I go out, I grab the weed whacker, fill up with gas and oil, and I go to start it. But it ain't started, so I gotta push the timer. Or no, well, actually... So then I got that all done, and I was like, what do I want to do for the rest of the day? Do I want to go for a dirt bike ride? Do I want to go for a farther ride? What the hell do I want to do? So I go for a little dirt bike ride. So I go out in the garage, get my dirt bike, get it, make sure the gas is on. And all of a sudden I'm sitting there, I see you jump right over the fucking hey, I'm gonna hit that motherfucker. So I get back to the house and I'm like, fuck it, I'm gonna take my 4-stroke for a ride. So I get home and my dad is out on the fucking porch fucking pissed. What the fuck you think you're doing? I'm sitting in the house trying to watch NASCAR and you're buying your fucking toys! I'm like, oh Dad, I'm so sorry, I didn't mean to ruin your day. Let's go and watch NASCAR. Okay, let's drink a beer while we're at it. Alright Dad, let's sit down. So I go inside, do whatever, sit down and watch the NASCAR, and fucking Tony Stewart is leading that fucking race like no tomorrow. And I'm watching it, also I'm watching holy shit, dude, they're fucking cranking, Dad. Shut up, son, I'm trying to listen! Okay, sorry. Fuck me.
You're making another lap.
So then, Tony Stewart wins the race, and he's sitting there doing his brow. So I was like, alright Dad, I'm out of here. I'm gonna go fucking take a ride in my big Chevy. I don't wanna take a big ride in this Chevy. Ride in this Chevy. Ride in this Chevy.
Holy fuck.
So I fucking hop my truck like I think I'm the biggest badass there is, motherfucker. come up behind this slow car. I'm like, well, I'm not fucking staying behind this car. And also I blow by the sheriff, and I'm going pretty fast. I got a lot of exhaust. I'm fucked. He's definitely coming after me. And all of a sudden he turns his lights and sirens on. Son of a bitch. Fuck it, man. He comes up, gives me a ticket. So I take my truck home and I hop in my big rice burner. Then my cousin Lee planks with me, goes, dude, fucking drift that shit! Fucking drift it! I'm like, dude, I'll fucking drift it! You want me to fucking drift it? I'll drift it! Oh, son.